Welcome student. Today I am going to teach you your third chapter in prose section, The Secret of Health, Success and Swasth has been a very famous essayist in English. Summary. Introduction first. James Allen is a famous English essay writer. His essays teach us moral and spiritual. These teachings have great importance in life. As the secret of success and power, which are the most valuable things in life for the young students studying at intermediate level. The author's thoughts are given under the three headings as follows. Health, faith and purity are essential for health. Health is the key to success and power. Number 2, disease is the result of an error or sin. People of weak bodies and mind often fall ill, but the disease never comes to those whose minds are full of pure thoughts. Number 3, health can only be mentioned when we avoid anger, worry, jealousy, greed and mental disturbance. Wise are the person who keep such unhealthy conditions out of their minds. Number 4, a healthy mind lives on a healthy body. So we should have joyful and loving thoughts. If we are free from such evil as jealousy, worries, hatred, etc., disease will never attack us. Overwork never causes any disease. If the energy is foolishly wasted, it leads to breakdown of health. Our health is marred by anxiety and excitement and worry. Physical as well as mental work gives us health when we do it with a peaceful. A man whose mind is full of anxieties can never do this work well. Thus, good health and success go together. They cannot be separated. Then I will go through the success. The author has suggested the number of things which bring success. Sound health plays an important role in getting success. Sound health brings sound success. People with weak mind and body easily fall ill. Health produces a current which gives life. A man who is given to anger, jealousy, worry and greed would never get success. Perfect mental health can be acquired only when one is perfectly healthy. A man should always have joyful and affectionate thoughts which provide elixir to life. Thus, health and success both go together. Number 2, faith helps a person to get great things in life. We must have a faith in the Supreme, faith in the overruling power, and faith in oneself. Success is a building which can be raised high only on the rock firm foundation of faith. Faith helps in producing spiritual strength, while strength enables us in achieving our aims. The destiny of a man is shaped by healthy thoughts. Healthy thinking is the result of good health because healthy mind dwells in a healthy body. The pure and spotless soul help us in reaching our goal. In support of the above, the writer's words can be quoted as under. Let your heart grow large and loving and unselfish, and great and lasting will be your influence and success. It means that if we are successful but remain narrow-minded and selfish, our success will not be worth. All will go in vain. Purity in thoughts and fairness of the faith brings us perennial and everlasting success. For getting success, we must utilize our energies properly. If the mental and spiritual powers are wastefully used, we shall have failures and we shall be called foolish. A man of single aim achieves everlasting success. We must concentrate on our aim, and the aim should be right and useful, not causing harm to anyone. The writer wishes us to remember the double-minded man is unstable in all his ways. Power, balance and calmness of mind can give you the power which will enable you to win over the people. Number 2, a man is really powerful if he is not swayed by emotions. Number 3, all power is associated with the firmness. Number 4, one who is capable of commanding oneself can have the power to command or control the others. Passion cannot be power, it remains unmoved. Practice makes a man all powerful. Valuable energy is worst when we laugh loudly. We must be single-minded. Our aim must be lawful and useful. Student, these are the main points of secret of health, success and power. I have completed the summary of the lesson. Tomorrow I will continue the chapter. Okay, goodbye.